anything. Boots has
Rich,
yeah, Boots has benefited from the Reiki a lot. You know, her anxiety's a lot better. She can go out without a ball now for her walks, and she's a lot calmer dog. I mean, I'm sure if I had more sessions, then it would be better for her leg, and that would improve that way. But I'm very happy with her behaviour now, and the mass. Well, I mean, her hair's grown back in such a short time. Chloe the mass. Karen had her in her hands and was doing the Reiki. Then she gave the Chloe back to me, and she was all warm, and you could actually feel the benefit of the Reiki. And yeah, I would recommend it for all animals.